Hello again, this is our fourth demonstration on ray diagrams, and I'm going to do one more example with the same mirror that we've been working with. We've been using the exact same mirror with the same measurements and the same object even, and as we've done the previous examples, we've started from the object being way out here outside the center. We moved it closer and closer yet, so it was right up next to the mirror, and in each of those cases we got different images back. We've gotten inverted and upright images, we've gotten real and virtual images, and we've had some that were magnified and some that were reduced. There's one more situation that you should see, and this one's a little bit unusual. Something unexpected happens in this case. Here I've set the object 3 centimeters out from the mirror. So starting from here, 1, 2, oh. This time the object is right on the focus. And this causes something a little unexpected to happen. So we'll just follow our usual drill here and let's see what happens to us. We're supposed to draw 2 rays. The first one is from the top of the object parallel to the axis until it strikes the mirror. So there it is. And from that point our ray is supposed to go out through the focus. So we do a ray like so, it passes out through the focus, and yes, and I should extend this in both directions because we don't know at this stage how our image is going to look. Now our second ray is supposed to start from the top of the object and go through the focus. There's no mirror down there. Strange. It turns out if your object is precisely at the focus, you can't construct an image. The reason being that when you draw this ray, it goes from the object through the focus and off into nowhere. There's never a reflected ray that you could draw back, and even if you did draw one, even if the mirror did extend down this far, you get an odd reflected ray that comes back. Well, where's it supposed to go? Out parallel to the axis. The rays never converge. It turns out that right at the focus, if your object starts out here and is moving in closer and closer to the mirror, there's a brief hiccup when you're at the focus where your image just vanishes. You don't have a real image and you don't have a virtual image either. You have no image at all. You're not generally tested on this situation, although you could be, but it's good to remember that if you ever get to a ray diagram where you're not able to make these 2 rays intersect, you may not be doing anything wrong. You may actually have an optical system that just cannot produce an image, and that's nothing to worry about. You draw this ray, you draw the second ray, you can't get them to intersect, on to the next problem.